Here's a Viper remote start on a GMC Sierra body style 2007 to 2013. This is the Viper 5706V 1 mile pager remote, 5,000 feet. Here's the remote, lock, unlock, pop trunk for the cars, remote start, flashing lights, honking horn, siren. The vehicle is hit or the doors are pried open, the alarm system will fire off. Going to unlock it. As soon as the alarm is triggered, the remote will alert you and let you know what's going on. It'll tell you it's been hit, the door's been open, the ignition's been triggered. It lets you know why the alarm system has been activated. Here's the spare remote. And for the remote start, all we do is push the middle side button and it'll crank the engine. Got them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. We carry Viper's full line: Viper, Clifford, Python, Avatar. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. We'll see you guys on the next one.